Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Wednesday, the 3rd of June. Let's get to this great weather forecast. If you like beach weather, I've got some of it in the forecast. I also have the fact that we are sponsored today by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all your arbor care needs, and they have offices in Danvers, Concord, Needham, and on Cape Cod. Give your local Hartney Graymont a call, and they'll come out for free and do an assessment of your trees. All right, we've got sunshine for today. We're in the lower 80s across the area. It's a beautiful morning. Going to be taking the walk here. It's a little dark still. Now, tonight, back down towards 60. Tomorrow, we're going to heat up, mid to upper 80s. If an area scooches up to 90 tomorrow, it'll be a heat wave for that area because if you hit 90 tomorrow, you're probably going to hit it again on Friday and Saturday, and that's 3 days. So, it's pretty hot. It's June. A little above normal for sure. Lots of sunshine right through Saturday. And then there'll be some clouds rolling in late Saturday. Maybe some showers later Sunday. We're going to see the wind flip around behind a backdoor cold front on Sunday to the northeast, and that's going to drop temperatures towards 70 degrees, so a lot cooler on Sunday across the area. And all in all, pretty nice weather. Again, those showers Sunday afternoon or Sunday night, and that is about it. We'll take another look at the heat and just how warm it's going to get tomorrow. But today, stunning. Have a great day, everybody.